Don't worry, integers are not your teasers. Hello all, welcome back to your very own channel, Classes with Neha. Let's get started with question number 7 from exercise 1.3 integers. It says, in a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer and 0 for questions not attempted. Mohan gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect answers. What is his total score? Now what is the question saying? There is a class test which is 10 questions in total, wherein 5 marks are given for every right answer and minus 2 is being deducted or awarded for every wrong answer, and 0 is given to the question which is not attempted. Now the first part is saying that Mohan has got 4 correct answers and 6 incorrect answers. So we have to find out his total score. Now marks given for one correct answer is given as 5. It is already being given in the question. So marks for 4 correct answers. Why 4? Because Mohan has got 4 correct answers. So what will be the total score? See, if you say the cost of one chocolate is 10 rupees, then what will be the cost of 4 chocolates? 4 into 10, 40. Similarly, when the marks for one correct answer is 5, what will be the marks for 4 correct answers? Obviously 4 into 5, which is 20. Alright. Now, what are the marks given for one incorrect answer? It is already being given in the question as minus 2. So, what will be the marks for 6 incorrect answers? Because Mohan has got 6 incorrect answers. Again, it would be minus 2 into 6. Alright. We just need to multiply. I already told you the example for chocolates. So, 2 into 6 is 12. And minus plus is always minus. So, I am going to put minus over here. Okay. Now, we are supposed to find out the total score for Mohan. Now, if I say you had 10 chocolates, 2 more chocolates are given to you by your friend. Now, what are your total chocolates? 10 plus 2, 12. Now, if you have 10 chocolates and 2 chocolates are being taken away from you, what is the number of chocolates you are left with? 8. Why? 10 plus minus 2. Similarly, here Mohan's total score would be marks obtained for correct answers, which is 20, plus marks obtained for incorrect answers, which is minus 12. I am going to enclose this minus 12 in brackets because it is negative integer. Total always indicates plus. Whatever is in minus, you just enclose that number in brackets. Okay. Now plus minus is always minus. So 20 minus 12 and 20 minus 12 is 8. So what is the total score of Mohan? It is 8. So this was your first part for question number 7. You can make a note of this. Coming on to the second part of the same question, it says Reshma gets 5 correct and 5 incorrect answers. What is her total score? Now again the same question, marks given for one correct answer is 5. So I'll just write it over here, 5. So marks for 5 correct answers would be 5 into 5. I just explained you with the help of chocolates, right? So it would be 5 into 5, which is 25. Alright. Now, marks for one correct answer is minus 2, already given in the question. It's the same as the pattern of first, okay? So, marks for 5 incorrect answers would be 5 into minus 2. Alright. Now, what is 5 into minus 2? 5 into 2 is 10 and plus minus is always minus. So it is minus 10. So what will be the total score of Reshma? It would be 25. Total always indicates plus or addition. And whatever is a minus, we will enclose it in brackets. For example, if you have got 3 papers. एक पेपर में आपके 10 मार्क्स आए, एक पेपर में 20 आए, एक पेपर में से 30 आए. What is your total score? You will just add all the marks and get the total. But in this case also, Reshma's total will always be added. जो भी negative है, you enclose it in brackets. Otherwise, for total, always put a plus sign. So it would be 25. Plus minus is always minus, which is 15 marks. 15 marks. So what is the Reshma's total score? 15 marks. So this was the answer for the second part. You can make a note for this. Coming on to the third part of the same question, it says, Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answers out of 7 questions she attempts. What is her score? Now, what are the marks for one correct answer? 5. since she got 2 correct answers, so marks for 2 correct answers would be 2 into 5, which is 10. Okay. Marks given for 1 incorrect answer is already being given in the question as -2. And since Hina got 5 incorrect answers, so marks for 5 incorrect answers would be 5 into -2, which is -10. Alright. Now, here there is a twist, which is since she gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answers out of 7 questions she attempts. Since the class test contained 10 questions and she attempted only 7. So that means 3 are left unattempted. Why? 10 minus 7 is 3. So 3 unattempted questions, she has just left them out. So marks for 3 unattempted questions would be 3 into 0. It would be 3 into 0 is equals to 0. Why? Because 0 is awarded for questions, for one question which is not attempted. So for 3 it would be 3 into 0. Now in the first case, there was 4 correct answers and 6 incorrect answers, which made a total of 10. So there was no unattempted left. In the second case also, there were 5 correct and 5 wrong answers. So 5 plus 5 is 10. There were no unattempted left. But in the last case, 2 were correct, 5 were wrong, which makes a total of 7. But the total questions was 10. So 10 minus 7 is 3. Okay, so you must be careful if this part is being given in the question. So what will be the total score? It would be 10 plus minus 10 plus 0. It will be 10 plus minus 10 plus 0. 0 doesn't make a difference. Plus minus is always minus. So 10 minus 10 is 0. So 0 marks is the total score for Hina. So this was all for your third part, and work hard and don't get 0. So please make a note of this. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, keep smiling, be happy and take care.